Bird Banger, first break of the night, 79-76 dice roll. Let's go 6 times. Teams first, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 here, 6 here. You want the top spot, Miami Dolphins. Up top, the Eagles at the bottoms. Again, Dolphins. Taking down the Tyreek Hill downtown. Going 6 times. On your names, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Eric Pratt. How about it, Eric? Let's sort them out. Again, break 79-76. The Tyreek Hill going to the Dolphins, and Eric Pratt automatically. Again, 6 on the dice all the way across. Congratulations, Eric, taking down the Tyreek downtown. 5 boxes to rip, and good luck. Congrats, Eric. Tyreek Hill downtown going to you automatically. That's a pretty easy win right there, Eric. All you have to do is be in the break. Take it down. You guys keep grabbing your spots on the website, jumboscards.com. Giving away 3 big cards tonight. Giving away a Mahomes rated a rookie out of Donruss. Giving away a Zay Flowers Gold Wave RPA. Giving away a Shota Imanaga. Topps Chrome rookie auto, believe, what, to 175, something like that, on the Teal Wave. So again, $50 order gets you 1 entry, $100 order gets you 3 entries into that giveaway. Filler is live in the chat. We got 3 down, 7 left. It's 10 spots, 40 per, top 3. 2 spots each in the 23 Prism Auto Banger. Break 79.54. You can take your spots right there in the chat on that filler. And big spots up for grabs. Empty box, and good luck. Tony Dorsett, James White, James Harrison Refractor, Tony Mandarich, Donnie Shell, it's going to be the Pulsar, Andre Reed, Brock Bowers on the rookie, Terry Bradshaw Pink, All Etch, Anthony Richardson, Darrelle Revis to $3.99 for the New York Jets. Tim Tebow on the refractor. Dees Isaac, Theo Johnson. Jonah Ellis, Jason Kelsey on the pink. Marino and Jershawn Newton. Into box 2, good luck. You guys grab your spots on the website, get your entries into the giveaway. Site is loaded up with auto bangers as far as the eye can see. I think there's 17 different auto bangers on the website. Grab your spots, jumboscards.com. Willie Gault. Byron Murphy, Youthquake Silver. Marshawn Lloyd, pink rookie for Green Bay. Keenan McCardell Frank Gore Jr. on the Pulsar. Trey Benson. Eli Manning. Ladd McConkey on the pink rookie. Murad Woodson. Drake May, Youthquake. Jalen Ford, we got Sterling Sharp pink. And Tavondre Sweat. Box 3. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. You can keep grabbing your spots on the website. Get your entries into the giveaway. There's also a filler live in the chat. You can filler live in the chat. We got Tom Rathman, Tavondre Sweat, pink of Cade Stover, Bruce Smith, Vidal, Doug Flutie on the Pulsar, Jonathan Brooks, Future Stars, Anthony Richardson, All Etch, Keon Coleman, pink finesse for Buffalo. Steve Young, Youthquake of Chop, Bucky Irving, Refractor, and Jason Elam, and Kalen Carson. Dan Fouts on the negative. Caleb Williams, silver, Youthquake. Nice one there for the Bears on the silver. Chicago and John. Cooper DeJean. Dallas Turner on the pink rookie. Dante Hall. Ricky Williams on the Pulsar. Michael Vick. Xavier Worthy, pink for KC. Sean Alexander. John Owe, Xavier Worthy again, Youthquake, Javon Bullard, Dwayne Bowe, and Jace McClellan. Again, guys, drop in the chat for this filler. 7 left in the filler. 7 left, 7 left. It's a $40 filler, top 3, 2 spots each, and the Prism Auto Banger. Get on to the last box. Good luck. You can grab your orders on the website as well. $50 order gets you 1 entry. $100 order gets you 3 entries. Triple banger giveaway tonight. And guys, we're giving away a Mahomes rated rookie, the Zay Flowers Gold Wave RPA, and a Shota for the Cubbies Topps Chrome rookie auto, I believe to $199. So grab your orders on the website. $50 order gets you 1 entry. $100 order gets you 3. Roger Staubach, Johnny Wilson, Future Stars. Carter Bradley, pink. The Fridge, Terrion Arnold. Marv on the rookie. Tom Brady, Trey Benson, finesse pink. Teddy Bruschi. Jaden Daniels, Youthquake. Graham Barton, Michael Dean Perry, and Nate Wiggins. Okay, let me sleeve some of these up. We'll do a quick recap here. It's per order, Andrew, so it would have to be separate $100 orders. Jaden Daniels, Dallas Turner, Xavier Worthy, Caleb Williams, Cade Stover, Keon Coleman, Bucky Irving, Byron Murphy, Marshawn Lloyd, Ladd McConkey, Drake May, Terry Bradshaw, Darrell Revis to 399. And that is the break, guys. Appreciate the fill. At least that's how we've done it, Andrew, in the past. I was like, I'll double check with Bob. But normally, if we're combining it, it'll say order stack on the giveaway, or entry stack. Yes, sir.